Hello everyone, class 7, social science, geography, chapter 1st, environment, and today's topic is what is ecosystem and what is human environment. So let's get started. So the topic is what is ecosystem. Start this topic by this story. At an NCC camp that Ravi's class was attending, Jessie exclaimed, "What a heavy downpour! It reminds me my home in Kerala. You should come to see how it pours and pours and pours over the lush green fields and coconut plantations." एनसीसी कैंप रवि क्लास अटेंड कर रही है। यहाँ पे जैसी एक्सप्लेन करती है कि ये जो काफ़ी हैवी रेन हो रही है एंड इट रिमाइंड्स, मुझे याद दिला रही है माय होम टाउन केरला की। यू शुड कम, तुम्हें वहाँ आना चाहिए एंड देखना चाहिए कि हाउ द जो ये रेन है ये हरे भरे जो खेत हैं उन पे और कोकोनट प्लांटेशन पे किस तरह से रेन है वो गिरती है। हीरा फ्रॉम जैसलमेर, हीरा जो कहाँ से है, जैसलमेर से है। ही अगेन ऑल्सो एक्सक्लेम्ड, वी गेट नो रेन्स, हमारे वहाँ कोई रेन नहीं होती है, नो रेन। एंड वी सी ओनली कीकर एंड सैंड, वी सी ओनली कीकर, कीकर इज अ प्लांट विच इज फाउंड इन डेजर्ट एरिया, एंड सैंड, रेत, एज फार एज आईज कैन सी, जहाँ तक हम देख सकते हैं वहाँ तक क्या दिखाई देती है, रेत दिखाई देती है। Then but you also find camels, रवि said, रवि कहता है बट तुम्हें वहाँ कैमल भी तो देखने मिलते होंगे। So Hira says, not just camel only. If you visit our desert, you will see snakes, lizards, and many insects too. Not only camels, but if you visit our desert area, you can see snakes, lizard, and many insects also. So Ravi wondered, Ravi surprised होता है, how do the animals, the vegetation and the way people live vary from place to place? कैसे animals अलग है and vegetations अलग होती है, पेड़ पौधे अलग होते हैं and the peoples का जो living standard है वो अलग होता है। Are they all related to each other? क्या ये सभी एक दूसरे से related हैं? Oh yes, very much so, the teacher replied. टीचर कहती है यस, दे ऑल आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर, वेरी मच दे आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर। एंड टीचर एक्सप्लेन, ऑल प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स डिपेंड ऑन देयर इमीडिएट सराउंडिंग्स। ऑल प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स आर डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर इमीडिएट सराउंडिंग फॉर सर्वाइविंग लाइफ। ऑफ्टन दे are also interdepend on each other. In fact, they all are plants, animal and human beings. They all are interdepend on each other. Human beings are depend on animals and plants, and they all are depending to each other. Okay. So this relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding. Understand? जो रिलेशन है बिटवीन किसके, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के बीच जो रिलेशन है वह एंड अदर कौन सा, ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड देयर सराउंडिंग्स के बीच में जो रिलेशन है इज फॉर्म एन इको सिस्टम। रिलेशन बिटवीन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड देयर सराउंडिंग, ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड उनके जो आसपास का जो इन्वायरमेंट है उससे रिलेशन उनका इज फॉर्म एन इको सिस्टम। There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland का अलग होता है, desert का ecosystem अलग होता है, mountains का different होता है, lake, river, ocean and even a small pond. Means का ecosystem is a large और small also. Ecosystem बहुत बड़ा भी हो सकता है और बहुत छोटा भी. So in this image we see ecosystem of a pond. So we see all the living organisms are depending each other and they are also depend on their surroundings. So we can say this is a unit in which all biotic organisms which have life are interact with abiotic environment, and they all are interact with abiotic environment. This is called ecosystem. Dear students, do you know on 5 June every year the World Environment Day is celebrated. Now next topic, human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Human beings interact with the environment and change the environment according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They lead a simple life and fulfill their requirements from the nature around them. Early humans adopted all things from their natural surroundings and they fulfill their requirements from the natural environment which is around them. With the time, needs grow and become more varied. When the needs were increasing and they are very varied, so human learn new ways to use changes. So human learn new ways to change our environment. They learn grow crops, उन्होंने सीखा how to grow crops, domesticate animals and lead a settled life. And as a result, the wheel was invented, surplus food was produced and barter system emerged. Trade started, commerce developed and industries revolutions embellished large-scale production, transportation become faster. Information revolutions made communications easier and speedy across the world. So what is the result of changing the environment? Human beings learn how to grow crops, how to domesticate animals and lead a settled life, and they invent wheel and surplus food was produced. They know how to store food grains and barter system emerged. What is barter system? So barter system is a system, it is a trade in which goods are exchanged without use of money. It is a system where goods are exchanged. Okay, suppose कि अगर आपके पास wheat है और आपको राइस चाहिए, so you exchange your things without use of money. And trade started, then trade business start हो गए, commerce development हुआ, industrial revolutions हुए, new industries are formed and large scale production was introduced, transportation increase and more faster than before. Information revolutions make communication easier, and in present time we can communicate with all over the world and speedy across the world.